Sekaten, the culture of the Surakarta and Yogyakarta palaces. The Sekaten Festival is a series of annual activities commemorating the birthday of the Prophet Muhammad held by the Surakarta and Yogyakarta palaces. The series of celebrations officially took place from the 5th and ended on the 12th of Mulud on the Javanese calendar, comparable to the Rabiul Awal on the Hijri calendar. Some of the important events of these celebrations are the playing of the heirloom gamelan in the courtyard of the great mosque of each palace, reading the life history of the Prophet Muhammad and a series of recitations on the veranda of the Grand Mosque, and finally Garbek Mulud as a form of gratitude for the palace, with the release of a number of mountains to be contested by the public. Most of the literature agrees that the name Sekaten is an adaptation of the Arabic term Shahadatain, which means two testimonies or shahadat. The expansion of the meaning of Sekaten can be related to the terms Sahutain, Sakhatain, Sakhotain, Sekati, and Sekat. Sahutain is stopping or avoiding two cases, namely prostitute and deviant nature. Sakhatain is eliminating case 2, namely animal character and demonic nature. Sakhotain is instilling a second case, namely always maintaining pure mind or mind noble and always servant to God. Sekati is balance. Living people must be able to weigh or judge good and bad things. And Sekat is limits. Living people must limit themselves not to do evil and know the limits of good and evil. On the first day, the ceremony begins at night with a troop of Abdi Dalam or Punggawa Kraton together with two sets of Javanese gamelan Kyai Nogowilogo and Kyai Guntur Madu. This procession had started from the Ponconidip Pendopo to the Great Mosque in North Square, escorted by Kraton soldiers. Kyai Nogowilogo will occupy the north side of the Grand Mosque, while Kyai Guntur Madu will be in Bagongan, south of the mosque. The two sets of gamelan will be played simultaneously until the 11th of Mulud for 7 consecutive days. On the night of the last day, the two gamelan will be brought back to the Kraton. The celebration is also enlivened by a night market commonly called Sekatenan, which lasts for about 40 days starting at the beginning of the month of Safar. His philosophy builds life. There are spicy, bitter, and other flavors. Cultivate a sharp feeling in seeing the process of life, not forgetting about the origin of life. At the peak of the Sekaten celebration, two Gunungan Jalar and Estri will be paraded from the Kori Kamandungan Kasunanan Palace to the Grand Mosque in celebration of Grebek Maulud. Gunungan contains a variety of foods and crops that are distributed to the public as a symbol of the king's care for his people. People who come directly to visit the Sekaten event can really feel the Javanese traditional atmosphere, which still feels strong from the meaning contained in each series of events, because the culture is still well preserved by the royal family. On the other hand, Sekaten also drives the people's economy. Traders, game rights owners, and other businesses are crowded in this place. According to my personal experience, I highly recommend the public to visit the Sekaten tradition. A variety of culinary and entertainment options are available there. As the night went by, not only was the atmosphere of the program more pleasant, but also the temperature at night was cooler.